you're going to watch out for these guys on YouTube. Living in Dallas, Texas. Go check it out. They're blowing things up all over the place.
And if you don't know Levi, he is changing real estate.
And this is Live with
Ginger
and Glenda. And we are here with Levi. Can you believe it?
Video is so important. It is the key to Levi's business.
Levi Lascsak from the great state of Texas. Let's go.
So Levi kicks ass at YouTube.
This guy dominates YouTube.
We are here for another episode of the Real Advice Podcast, here with our buddy Levi, otherwise known as YouTube Levi.
Today's guest has made 6 figures in 6 months. Actually, he's done way more than that.
Meet Levi Lascsak and Travis Plumb. They started a channel called Living in Dallas. And so this is a real estate channel for people moving with organic YouTube traffic, not paid ads. They have done, in about the last year and a half, 165 transactions. $90 million in volume.
Really killing the game on YouTube, but I loved his journey within the last year. Levi from Living in Dallas. He's a real estate agent. Started his YouTube channel using a smartphone.
You guys know I try and bring people that are, I know, practitioners first and foremost, but I think Levi has a very different perspective.
Neither one of us sold a house in 2020. And in Q1 of 2021, we sold 0 homes. Then, because of YouTube, 97 million in production, almost 3 million in GCI, and we did that with 0 ad spend to the channel. People tell me they don't have time to make YouTube videos. I'm going, if you don't have time to make a YouTube video, that's exactly why you should make a YouTube video.
Levi, first of all, you did it all without an office.
People tell us, I've been watching your channel for 6 months. We were just waiting when we were ready to buy to call you. And guess what? When they call us, it's game over. They've already made the decision they want to buy.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, Levi, yeah, I heard all about you, Levi.
He's been doing this for about 26, 27 years, sold over 5,000 homes. I was talking to Jay Kinder. We've never met anyone like Levi. I think he's got the best program going. If you're not a YouTube superstar, you can be shortly.
It was the best presentation I've seen given, and it was so good it made me want to get back into selling real estate. It was that good because I know how hard what it is that y'all did, but I also know how hard it is to create the inbound like that.
Yeah.
And that's where it's at.
Leading to, yes, $1 million revenue business in his first year.
Levi, talk to us, man.
Let's go, let's go. If you have more than 1 year left in your real estate career, you should be on YouTube.